Hello guys, in this video we will see how to integrate the step form from our form builder and theme library. I hope you have all gone through from the previous videos. So I'm assuming that you know how to build this JSON form. So I won't go in deep in this section. So I'll just give you the brief idea of how we can integrate this step form in our form builder. So firstly we need to add a payload here, then save and publish create form. Then the form information, the form title and all the things. So that's I have filled up here. And to create this step form, the thing we need to check it as yes as is step form. We just need to check it as yes if we want to set it as a step form. If we check it as a no, it will appear as a regular form. So we are doing it as a step form. So we'll select the yes. If we are selecting the step form, then every section will be treated as a single step. So the each section I have added in the form will be treated as a separate step. So here I have added two sections. So in our resulting form, it will be the two steps. So we'll try first section. We'll add first section. So I have added just title. Another field I have added as a description here, given it as a text area. I've just added the two fields in the first section, and I've added the another section as well, given as a second section. In this second section, I have set it as a two-column layout, and the input as a text input. Both are the text inputs. So I just have created one simple form, and you just need to click the generate form. Once you click, these steps you need to follow. Copy and paste these all the things in your current file. The major part for the step form is this section. We just need to set as is step form true and the step form proc. So I have already created this. Let me show you. This is my step form. So these are the things that we require. And the see, here I just have added this is step form as step form proc. So the result is there. As you can see, the first and second, as we have added two sections in our form schema, so the two steps have appeared. So you can add as many steps as you want as per your requirement, and when you go to the next, this will be filled up as this, and next step will be occurred. And on the final step, the next button will be changed to the submit button on the left. And we can change this, or we can add some props to the step form like this. Step form prop. First one is container class. Container class is for this stepper. So we can add the parent class for the stepper, and we can add any custom CSS as we want. The next and previous button text. We can change the next and previous button text from here. So I'll create it as this and this. So this. Here you can see the button text has changed. Right now, if you want to change, if we don't give this text here, so by default it will take the section's name here. And if you want to change the labels of this text, you can change it from here. Labels, labels. And this first section is the key from our form schema section name. So this key should be matched to change the labels for that text. See, you can see here section name. I just copied this first section and take it as a key, and I have added the label here. So the label is replaced. You can add the image as well for that step form. So you can just need to add the image and give the image URL here. Whenever you do the image URL, so it will occur in this text. That's it. I hope you all have understood this concept and how to integrate this step form. Thank you.